I'm gonna pull this guy over. This guy's driving too slow. Pull over. Pull over. Welcome back to another video. I'm already at work, guys. I'm actually test driving a car right now. Just did a quick alignment on this, but we still gotta wake up. So, all right, so I made a little pit stop at the 7-Eleven and I picked up this little chingadera right here. Made a little pit stop at the local 7-Eleven. Peeped the hat. Anyways, picked up this little chingadera. Hopefully you guys can see this. Can you guys see this? So this is my replacement for coffee now. It's a little packet called Screaming Energy Ultra, and basically it's a coffee, I guess like a coffee energy drink. You know, instead of having a full cup of coffee, 8, 16, 20 ounce coffee from Starbucks that'll cost you like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bucks. Go to 7-Eleven, pick yourself up. Get yourself one of these little packets. All you gotta do is get it, shake it. All right, once you shake it up, just tear it open and chug this. This tastes like vitamins with coffee. You can see right there. It's coffee flavored. Pretty good. It'll get you going in the morning. This right here is only 50 calories. And it gets you going. See right here? This guy has a 6-pack. Drink one of these a day and you can have a 6-pack too. Alright guys, let's get to work, see what the day has for us. What time is it right now? It is, I don't know. It's early though. It's probably like 8 or 8:30. No, it's 8. I came in at 8, so it's probably like 8:30, 8:45 right now. Just did this alignment. It's a 2013 Lexus ES350. All right, let's go.
5 hours later.
All right, guys, it's lunchtime. I got 3 boiled eggs here, 3 huevos, just like that. And I got some ribeye steak. I'm about to eat this shit, and I'm gonna go show you some front brakes on a 2017 Transit F-150. So it's a big ass vans. I've already shown you back brakes, but I'm gonna show you the front brakes. So let me eat. Oh wait. Don't mind the container, but look at this juicy piece of meat with some blue cheese or butter, or I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna eat this by itself with the eggs, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Cool. Alright guys, front brakes on this Ford Transit F-250. Kind of loud here, but I'm gonna try to explain it anyways. All we're gonna need here is a 13 mil for this. You can't see it in here, but inside these holes is a T50. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that you gotta take off. And then over here, there's a 15 for this, and then you're gonna need a 21 for the caliper bracket. And then we can take everything off. So I'm gonna set you guys up, we're gonna take it off, and then I'll try to explain everything a little better over the music, but it's kind of loud. Yeah, we gotta do it anyways. So let's go. ¿Me veo bien? ¡No la bajes, güey! Alright homies, I do apologize for all that noise and just kind of rushing through the job. but I got the customer waiting here. I'm just gonna go on a quick test drive. I put everything back together. I've shown you guys the rear brakes plenty of times, but I figured I'd show you how to do the front brakes on this one. Not difficult at all. It can be a pain in the ass because because you got to remove the hub with the rotor as an assembly, and it's pretty heavy. The hub is bolted onto the knuckle with a T50 Torx, and you're gonna need a pretty long one that can get in there. I wasn't able to show you through the hub, but if you look in there and if you're working on one of these trucks, you know what I'm talking about. And then to remove the rotor from the hub is a 13 millimeter. And just do it the way that I did it on the video. It's, you know, put the old rotor face up and then put the old one face down, and then you'll be able to slide the hub on there and bolt it on there. But it can be kind of it can be a pain in the ass just putting it back and holding it and making sure that you don't strip the screws. But if this is your first time watching the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because we get a lot of these Ford F-250s Transit Connects, and we always do brakes on them. So if you want to, I'm gonna try to make a complete, like a how-to video, step by step. But this one I kind of ran through it, but still, I mean, hopefully you guys get the idea. Sometimes I make videos and I don't know how they I don't know how well I can translate my information over to you guys, but I feel like if I understand it, everybody's gonna get it. But it doesn't, it's not always the case. But yeah, I think I'll see. Yeah, this is a 2017 Ford F-250 Transit Connect. Brakes always go out on these. Shit, I gotta make a U-turn. God damn it. Yeah, let me go park this truck and then we'll see what else is in store for us. But yeah, hopefully we got something good. It's kind of a slow day. I think the weather keeps a lot of people inside, you know. So yesterday we got hit by a crazy like 30-40 minute storm. I don't know, it was crazy. And then out of nowhere the fucking sun comes out, and yeah, that's California for you. I'm gonna make a U-turn here. Okay, yeah, let me head back to the shop. If I ended here, consider subscribing so you can watch more of these videos. If you're into car stuff, I'm doing more day in the life kind of things now. You know, I'm showing you like shit I do every day. So subscribe, don't forget to like, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys like, what you guys don't like. If you leave me a thumbs down, which I know one of you guys will, because it's funny, I think I got a solid hater now. Like as soon as I post a video, within the first 5 minutes, I get a quick thumbs down right away. So I got a solid hater that watches my videos just so you can give me a thumbs down, which I don't mind. I don't fucking mind. Give me the thumbs down, but watch my video. But if you got some balls, let me know why you're leaving me the thumbs down. That's it. I'll see you guys on the next one.